DIY with JacQ.
Hello, YouTube. Oh, has it been a while? So let's pick it up where we left off. I come up in the kitchen to come give me a good old bowl of banana pudding. Okay? And look what I find in the dishes, in the sink. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Let's just put it out. Look at this. See that? Let's just zoom in. Look at that. Look, just look at that. Now, what would happen if this went down the sink? I can only imagine. You know what? I already know what's finna happen. Let's see what we're working with. This is the dish, the garbage disposal side. This is the sink. So the garbage disposal, when you flip the switch on, it makes a humming sound. So I'm not finna put no claim in. These kids is finna fix this sink. They finna fix this sink. Jaden Raider Tatum. Who broke the sink? How about y'all all come up in here? Now whose bright idea was that? Look at this boy in the middle. Well, it don't matter because all y'all finna fix it. Since we got this little homeschooling thing and everybody shut in for this little stuff going around, y'all finna fix it because I ain't finna put a claim in. So we gonna turn. First thing, what stops up a sink, people?
Grease.
What else? Food. You mean that big old pile of food that you left in the sink? So, if we know that food stops up sinks, we need to figure out a way to undo it. And yes, grease does clog up the sink because at the beginning, it's like a liquid. And then, over time, and the cooler it gets, the more it cools down, it turns into a solid. And guess what it does?
What happened if you put soap in it?
It stops up your sink. If you put some soap in it?
No, a lot of it, and it filled up the whole bottle and buy some from the store and get more. Soap do the same thing.
Where we putting the soap in?
Up in the soap.
Thank you, because that's not what we're doing. So let's begin. We need to figure out how to unclog this sink, and y'all going to do it. And tell us your ingredient, your material.
But this is first.
Well, I'm sorry. This is a reading class as well. What is that called?
Pure baking soda.
Baking soda and what else?
1 gallon of white vinegar.
You can put the whole gallon in there, Mr. Hughes?
Oh, no, just
White vinegar.
Why are you doing that?
To fill hot water.
to fix the sink.
Well, thank you, Raiden Aubrey. You're using your go ahead and put on the stove. You're using your hot water to pour down in the sink so it can go down the drain, just in case it is some grease down there. It will loosen everything. Yes, we're bringing it to a boil. It needs to be on high. Step is we finna fix this garbage disposal. Scoot back. You got your reset button right here. Then you have a diamond screw or a hexagon screw right here. So you're gonna have to go in with a I'll show you with one of these. This is what we're gonna use. We already have one on hand with this little kit, and it's a 1/4 one of these little bits. And they also make a little tool, but this is how we're gonna do it because we're not leaving the house. Here we go. Screwdriver with the little bit in there. Stick it in the little screw area or the little drill area. Now, you're going to have to get comfortable, so don't lay like that. And turn it. Keep turning. If it's real, please don't break nothing. If it's very difficult to turn, just keep on doing it. Just put some elbow grease in there. Now, take it and go back the other way. Is it easy to move now? Do you see that little button in there? It's like a square. It says reset. Press it. Can you press it? Can it go in and get stuck? All right, that means that you done fixed it. Come on out. You trying to fix something under there? You fixed it? Well, come on. Get on from under there. Now that you have gone and went under here and I guess cranked the motor, go over here, move your vinegar, and cut the switch on. You better move. See now. Cut it off. That bad boy working now. It sounds weird, don't it? But it's ready to cut up some food. But we're not going to put no food up in there. Next step is what? To make sure it's all straight, the water can run through. What you going to do? Put your baking soda in.
Right there.
Put just enough in there. All right. That's enough. Please don't use up all the ingredients. All right. Next, you're going to do what?
Give me the vinegar.
You're going to pour your vinegar in. Just pour enough to get you a reaction. All right. Come over here and do this one. Get the way. Pour. Now just get it out. You want to get out? Okay, that's enough. Go, see? Look at that. Go ahead and get over here again. And we just gonna let it sit. All right. This is gonna go down into your pipes. Clean out all your crap in there that y'all done threw in there, children. Go ahead and put some up in there.
My mommy's going to get the hot water.
Whoa! You're gonna fill up both of your sinks with water to the same amount. Probably to here. Probably to there. That's good. As long as you can smell vinegar, vinegar means it's working. It's a fresh smell of clean when you're smelling vinegar. Anyway, so when we fill both of these sinks up, we're gonna cut the garbage disposal thing on and just let it flush everything out and suck everything out into the bridge of Parabethia. I don't want to see it no more. Cool? Are the towels moved out the way? Good. All right. One person stick your hand over on. Honey, is this hot water? Now please go and get the other one, please. And let's listen. Oh, yes. Wait, everybody move head back. Move head back. Jada. Hold on, wait. Put that. Hold on. Here we go.
Whoa.
Here it is.
What happened here?
Sucking out everything out of there. And then.
I didn't even get it. Do it again.
Look at that.
Oh, I see a tornado.
That's how you know it's real good. That's how you know that water going down there when you see that tornado.
Do it again.
Run water. And both. I want all four of you to hear. The next time I come up in this kitchen and y'all got food up in the sink, I'm going to report you to your father. And I'm just going to let him have his way with y'all. You understand? Because ain't none of y'all got no money.
I do.
You know how much it costs to unstop a sink and get your plumber up in here? During this sickness season?
$3,000.
Don't do it again. Bye-bye.